In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to union data in Tableau. Whether you're working with spreadsheets or databases, being able to combine tables into a single, cohesive data set can be incredibly valuable for analysis. Let's dive in and explore how you can achieve this in just a few minutes. First, we'll begin by opening Tableau Desktop. If you don't have Tableau installed yet, make sure to download and set it up beforehand. Once open, you'll be presented with the option to connect to your data source. This could be an Excel file, a text document, or even a database depending on your requirements. Navigate to the Connect pane on the left and select your desired option. Tableau has a user-friendly interface and it should guide you through the connection process. Once connected, you'll be brought to the data source page, which forms the foundation for your data visualization journey. On this page, you'll start by locating the table you initially want to work with. If your data source contains multiple tables, ensure that you select the correct one for your intended analysis. Now here's where the magic happens. To form a union, you need a second table. Simply drag this second table directly below the first one on the canvas. As you position it correctly, an option labeled Union will appear. This visual cue ensures you're on the right track, allowing Tableau to prepare for the union process. Releasing your mouse button over the Union option will initiate the combining of the two tables. Tableau intelligently attempts to align columns based on their names. This feature saves you the hassle of manually matching identical columns across the tables. However, this isn't always perfect. If you find columns with different names but similar data, known as mismatched fields, you'll need to address this. To resolve mismatches, you have two choices. You can manually merge them by dragging one column header onto the other within the union profile, giving you direct control over the matching process. Alternatively, look for the drop-down menu in the column's header. Here, a helpful option titled Merge Mismatched Fields is available, automating the process for you. This adaptability ensures that your combined data is as accurate and usable as possible. Finally, you might want to customize your union further. If needed, you can rename the union to something more meaningful or even remove tables from it. These options provide flexibility, aligning the structure of your union with your analytical objectives. And there you have it. You've successfully unioned data in Tableau. By combining tables effectively, you're well on your way to gaining deeper insights and making data-driven decisions. Thank you for watching and happy analyzing.